Have you wondered why regular housekeeping is the real secret to a consistently tidy home? Spoiler alert. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about structure, sanity, and saving yourself a stack of time, stress, and energy. Today, we're diving into why regular housekeeping isn't just a chore. It's a game changer that supports your home, your mental well-being, and your overall lifestyle. 1. Stop clutter before it starts. Clutter doesn't happen overnight. It's sneaky. One day, it's a few bits of paper on the counter. The next, full-blown chaos in the kitchen. That's the thing. Mess multiplies when left unchecked. Regular housekeeping helps stop the clutter before it even begins. A quick reset of the living area, a habit of putting things back after use, and a weekly check of clutter zones like drawers and benches can make a huge difference. You'll find what you need when you need it, without having to dig through piles of random. It's not about perfection, it's about peace. 2. Create structure with routines. A tidy home starts with tiny, consistent actions. Making the bed, wiping down the bench after dinner, tidying the lounge before bed. These aren't big jobs, but they create a structure that holds your home together. With set routines in place daily, weekly, and monthly, your space stays under control. Vacuuming and mopping don't feel like big jobs when they're just part of your rhythm. Even 5 minutes a day can help keep the overwhelm away. And let's not forget how satisfying it feels to walk into a space that's been gently taken care of. It's like your home is giving you a quiet high five. 3. Boost your productivity. When your home is tidy, your mind follows. Productivity skyrockets when you're not distracted by mess or wasting time searching for things. How often have you been running late only to be derailed by lost keys or missing uniforms? A clutter-free home saves you time every single day. Your mind is clearer, your decisions are quicker, and even the little things like cooking dinner or getting the kids out the door become smoother. And if you work from home, forget about it. A neat workspace is the foundation of a productive workday. Clarity in your space brings clarity to your work. 4. Keep it clean and healthy. It's not just about looking nice, it's about living well. Regular housekeeping reduces allergens like dust, pet dander, and mold. It keeps surfaces clean, bathrooms fresh, and kitchens germ-free. Think about all the places that collect grime. Under the couch, behind the fridge, or that forgotten laundry basket. Regular cleaning routines stop dirt from settling and bacteria from growing. Additionally, a clean home can improve mental health. Less clutter equals less stress. There's real peace in knowing your space is safe, clean, and cared for. 5. Use space smarter. Housekeeping helps you see your space. Not just the stuff in it, but how it flows, how it feels, and how it functions. Clearing the entryway, keeping countertops clear, and organising drawers help your home feel bigger, brighter, and more welcoming. It's not about minimalist design, it's about intentional use of your space. It also teaches everyone in the home to take responsibility. Kids learn to put toys away. Partners get into the habit of not leaving dishes in the sink. And you get your surfaces and your sanity back. 6. Think rhythm, not perfection. Let go of the pressure to have a spotless home. It's not about a perfect show home, it's about finding a rhythm that works for you and your family. Break your housekeeping into bite-sized pieces. Daily jobs like making beds and wiping benches. Weekly jobs like vacuuming, mopping, and cleaning the bathroom. Monthly tasks like decluttering a cupboard or steam cleaning a rug. Housekeeping becomes less about the big cleaning day and more about taking small manageable steps that keep everything running smoothly. 7. Make it a team effort. Let's be real. Housekeeping is a lot easier when it's not all on one person. If you live with others, involve them. It's not just fair, it's efficient. Even young kids can help with small jobs like feeding the pet, tidying their toys, or putting clothes in the laundry. Older children and partners can handle tasks such as dishes, bins, or folding. Sharing the load creates teamwork, reduces resentment, and teaches valuable life skills. Everyone benefits when the home runs smoothly together. 8. Enjoy the whole home effect. A tidy home doesn't just look good, it feels good. You walk into a room and breathe easier. You're not dodging clutter or staring down to-do lists. There's flow, freedom, and calm. When your environment is in order, your thoughts tend to follow. A tidy home supports a better mood, improved sleep, stronger relationships, and even better health. Let Clean House Melbourne take the pressure off. Whether you need a weekly tidy up, a deep clean, or help staying on top of it all, we've got your back.